Welcome back to Gino's Creative Cooking, and here I am going to show you how I made some mushrooms, baked some mushrooms and stuffed them with dough. Sorry I didn't show you how I made the dough, but you can use any dough like even a pizza dough from the store. Let's get going. After watching this video, don't forget to subscribe, comment and share, and don't forget to press that notification bell so when I post videos you won't miss out. How are you out there? Today I decided I'm going to do something creative. Gino's Creative Cooking. You know what I mean. Yeah. Got mushrooms here. I just marinated them, like spiced them with some salt, basil, black pepper. Yeah, the oven is ready there for me, and I said, okay, make some little bread, and I am going to line this up and then put some little bread inside and put some cheese on top. Literally, this is what you call being creative. Okay, just sharing with you, my viewers, little bit thing I do, a little bit thing I experience, I share with you. So now I'm gonna put a little bread inside, so I'll roll it up, little bit of oil here, and just like put it in like do it like so, and then put it inside there, and then I'm gonna put just a little bit of cheese here. Wow, how cute is that? Like literally, how cute is that? Now I'm gonna spray a little bit before I put them in the oven to bake, right? Ready? Ready? Well, let's check that out. It's starting to look good. It's been in here for 20 minutes. It is. Just came out of the oven. Looking good. Yep.